Guys, this is a super moon. Because this occurred because this is the closest equator and that's the farthest equator. It just looks like this there. This. Guys, because this is a super moon, because this is close, that's farther, right there. This thing only happened in Botswana. So if you are lucky enough, you can see it. YouTubers probably Mona Ebotona. That means it's big. And Walela means it's more, it means you are crying. Dumelang means you are saying hello from United States. You guys are probably not lucky enough. Because look at this thing. Just look how big it is. It's like Saturn's new rings. Six, 7. 6, 7.